everyone, and welcome to episode 6 of Coffee with Commvault Support. I'm Daniella, and this is Will. Today's topic is around disaster recovery scenarios using our LiveSync capabilities. Will, can you share more on this technology?
LiveSync uses backup data to create and maintain a warm disaster recovery site. With backup and replication from a single interaction against source virtual machines, LiveSync minimizes the impact of replication on a source applications. An incremental forever approach, combined with deduplication and synthetic full backups, enables fastest data transfer, reduced network load, and updates to the remote disaster recovery sites.
Very interesting. Can you share more on this solution?
LiveSync uses a full or synthetic backup to create each destination VM and updates the destination VMs from subsequent incremental backups of the source VM. LiveSync schedules are configured to create multiple LiveSync jobs for each schedule, with each job using its own stream for a subset of virtual machines. This flexible approach dramatically reduces the amount of time required to replicate large numbers of virtual machines. So Daniela, what are your customers saying about the advantages for them when using LiveSync?
Customers have been very positive on LiveSync capabilities and the ease of use. The recovery time objective, the time interval between a service interruption and the restoration of services from the recovery site, is the time needed to power on the virtual machine at the recovery site. Automated validation and the ability to specify new network connections and the IP addresses at the recovery site ensure that startup time is minimized.
Thanks, Daniela. Another interesting aspect of this feature is that in the event of a corrupted data in the source VMs, it's very straightforward to recover the source VMs from any stable recovery point that's available in the backup history, and then use this LiveSync to resync the VMs from the recovered source VM. In the event of a disaster, just power on the destination virtual machines for minimal disruption of vital business applications. LiveSync provides a quick recovery capability for critical applications running on virtual machines.
So Will, what are the requirements for LiveSync?
LiveSync is supported for VMware-based virtual machines using hardware version 7 or higher. LiveSync can be used to replicate virtual machines from a streaming backup, aux copy, or a backup copy. To add virtual machines to the LiveSync schedule, the virtual machines must have been backed up at least once. Within the LiveSync configuration, specify the network connections and the IP addresses to be used for VMs in the disaster recovery site. To further enhance the speed of transfers, we recommend the deployment of the virtual server agent and media agent at the remote site on a physical machine, SAN mode, or on a virtual machine for hot add mode. You can also deploy one or more VSAs in hot add mode with the media agent on a physical machine.
Thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Coffee with Commvault Support.